Do this, and I promise you your sales will increase. And that is measure. Now I know you're going to say, Reuben, that sounds boring. Measure, you said these things over and over again. But again, I promise you, when you start measuring your conversions and also your source of traffic and what happened within your site, what leads to a conversion, naturally your sales will increase. Let me explain. Now, as a business owner, you would have a website. I'm going to draw a website here, okay? So this is your website. And the reason why you as a business owner have a website is to show people what you have to offer, right? Your products and also your services. So what we do, we normally take our website and we promote it, we market it to all the platforms that we can market it on. For example, we market it on Facebook, that's very common, right? We market it on maybe Twitter. You market it on, say, through email marketing, so the right emails here. Instant messaging, and maybe, for example, LinkedIn. Now there's a lot of other platforms and also sources of traffic that you can market your site on, but I'm just going to put this 5 here for example. So what we normally do is we market it all, and then what's going to happen is there's going to be traffic coming back to our site, right? And after some time, you will get some conversions. Now, conversions can be a sale. It can also be a lead, someone opt into your site, right? It can also be someone downloading a brochure of your site. It can be so many things, but let's call that conversion. When someone converts on your site, they most probably be sent to a thank you page, right? That says, dear customer, thank you for purchasing, or dear customer, thank you for downloading this off our site. That's a conversion page. Now, say you have around 10 conversions. The question is, where did these 10 conversions came from? Where did this audience came from? Do they come from Facebook? Do they come from email? Or where do they come from, right? So what I found is most business owners do not actually track this, right? They don't track where their traffic comes from, and as a result of that, they're just taking their marketing randomly. They're just doing random marketing it on Facebook when they feel like it, marketing on Google Ads because they feel like it, right? And I used to do that, so I totally understand. I used to run Facebook ads without even tracking whether it's working or not. And I do it because, well, everyone is doing it. So it comes back to measuring it. So how do we measure when it comes online? Now there are platforms and tools like, for example, very popularly, GA, Google Analytics. It's a platform where you can track your source of traffic and also the conversions. Now even tools or platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads has its own tracking mechanism, and they all work the same. They will require you to put in a pixel or JavaScript code basically, which is a snippet of code inside your site, right? It's also inside here. So what's going to happen then is when you put in the JavaScript code from these platforms inside your site, so once it's inside here, and when someone comes in from Facebook, goes into your site, and then converts and ends up here, what's going to happen is this pixel, this JavaScript code, the same thing, they're all known as the same thing, it will send back a report to GA, Google Analytics, and report to GA and say, hey, there has been a conversion. So in Google Analytics, you have a dashboard like this with all the source of traffic, Facebook, Twitter, email, instant messaging, LinkedIn, and more, and its conversion, right? Maybe 1, 2, 4 here. And when this happens, I promise you, when you can see your conversions and visualize it in front of you, not thinking about it, but see it in front of you, you'll be able to form different types of marketing strategies that you can do to further double down on those platforms that are giving you the conversions that you want. And because of that, and thus, you would then increase your revenue and sales. So I know that this sounds complicated, putting in pixels and all this, but it's not really complicated. Just go in Google, it shouldn't take you more than an hour to set this up on your site. And if you need someone to actually go through the step-by-step by you and show you, handheld you and do this for you, well, do consider Growth Marketing 360, where I'll be able to help you to do this for your site. So let me know what you think about what I've shown you. If you have questions and also comments about how to get this all done, Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.